Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making this beautiful dress. Please watch to the end and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. So I start by writing down my measurements, the measurements I need for this. Start by writing all the off shoulder. So that means I'm coming down by 7 inches. Okay, you can do 6 inches depending on how low you want it to be. My shoulder to under bust is 13 inches. The gown length, that's the total gown length, is 60 inches. Okay, then my under bust measurement, that's the round under bust measurement, is 30 inches, and the band is 3 inches. This gown has like three steps: the upper part, the band, and the gathers. Okay, so to get the upper part, I marked my startup point. So this one now, I'm doing the upper part that has rope in it. So I minus the 7 inches, okay, and then marked my under bust. Here I added 1 inch, which gave me 14 inches, and I joined the lines. Okay, so this is what it's going to be. Then on the width, I took my under bust measurements. Okay, the down part, I took my under bust measurements. 30 divided by 4 is 7.5, but I made it 8 inches. Okay, and the top part, I still took the same 8 inches there, and I joined the points together. Then I cut. This for the upper part, where you're going to attach the band to. Okay, so this is how you're going to do it. Your off shoulder, whatever you're going off with, mhm, to the under bust, that's what you're going to use. Then I shed it into two. It's on fold. So this is going to be for one side, and the second one is going to be the other side. Okay, and you're going to cut two of it for the lining and the main one. Okay, so when you cut two, you're going to turn it up. So you sew like just the way I'm doing it now. You join that line, then come down by maybe half inch. Okay, and still sewed straight just to close those parts. Okay, the only place you leave open is the place you are joining to the band. So when you now turn it with the lining, you are still going to sew. Okay, when you turn it to the line, you are still going to sew another line, so that when the rope passes that place, it will stay there. It will not be coming out. Okay, so that's it for the upper parts. Then this, I'm using this for the band. It's going to be longer than this because it's going to the back. Okay, you're going to make the band longer than this, but I'm just using this to show you. Okay, so if when you cut the band, you mark the center point of the band. Okay, when you mark the center, that the upper part, that place you're going to reach, you just keep one at the center and use the other one, and also keep the second one and keep it at the center, and use, like, you just turn it up with the lining of the band. Remember, you have already turned the upper parts with its lining, so you're just turning the lining of the band with this one, so that it will be very neat. I don't know if you understand. You're going to use the lining of the band to turn it, so that it will be very nice. And for the gathers now, the gown length is 60 inches. That means you're going to subtract 17 from 60 inches, because when you calculate the upper part from the band to the shoulder is 17 inches, so you subtract it and it's going to give you 43 inches. Okay, so that 43 inches, now you're going to add 1 inch. Remember, you're going to use your measurement. If your full length is not 16 inches, just use your own measurements for this. Okay, you don't have to use my measurement because we don't have the same measurement. And let's say the gathers we are using 3 yards for it. 3 yards, you cut 44 inches. Okay, for the length. For the width is 3 yards. Do you understand? Mm. Let's say we are using 3 yards for it. That means you are using 3 yards, but the length is 44 inches because that's what is remaining to complete the dress, to give you 60 inches. That is the total length of the gown. Okay, that means since we are doing for front and back, you're still going to share that 3 yards into two, which means 1.5 yards for front, 1.5 yards for back. Do you understand? Well, because the front has a slit by the side, that means that 1.5 yards that is for the front, you are still going to share it, but it's not going to be equal because one side is actually more than the other. The other one that has a slit is by the, let's say, nipple to nipple side, okay? Just by the side. So you're still going to share the front one into two. But if you don't want to share it, if you don't want to share it again, like because of that slit, you just want to open the slit with scissors, like you don't want to start sharing it and joining it back, that kind of thing, you can just gather it and just open it with scissors for the slit. So for the back is 1.5 yards, right? For the back, you're going to fold it, that 1.5 yard, you're going to fold it maybe with half inch and add the elastic to gather it. This gown doesn't have any zipper at the back or anywhere. It's elastic that is going to be at the back. That means you're going to fold that 1.5 yard for back and add elastic that will pull the dress together. The only place you are gathering like normal gathers is the front, but the back is elastic that you're going to use and gather. I don't know if you understand it. But for the back, you're adding elastic to gather the dress. The front, you're only using your gathers, like machine gathers, to gather it the normal way they gather clothes. But the back is elastic that you're adding so that you can be able to wear it. Okay, so that's it for this. Remember, the front is being attached to the band, and then the band is now being attached to the gathers, and there is no, the back is going to be open. The only thing that will be at the back is that belt that is going from the under bulge to the band, just this band. Do you understand? This band is going to the back, so there is nothing. This upper part that is at the front is not at the back. The back is open. The only thing that will be there is the band that is going to the back, and you tie it, then the elastic on, and that's all for it.